Is it okay to purchase a home that's had previous foundation work done to it? A lot of people would say no, don't do it. It's the end of the world. But in my professional opinion, it's 100% okay. The only thing that I would look out for is two things. Number one, find out if it has a lifetime transferable warranty. A lot of foundation companies, anytime they do any foundation work to a home, they give the buyer, they give the homeowner a lifetime transferable warranty. And that warranty can transfer over to new buyers. So if you're purchasing a home, make sure you transfer this warranty sooner than later, because some foundation companies will not let you transfer it over to your name if you let a certain amount of time lapse. And number two, get a professional to go out to the home, like a structural engineer or foundation specialist, and have them go out there and give you their professional opinion to see if the home has shifted since the previous foundation work has been done to it and needs more foundation work performed